Hi, in this video I'm gonna give you a quick tip how to get rid of squealing door noise. If you have a squealing sound just like mine, basically what you need to do, you wanna grab WD-40 and spray those hinges here, over here and the top one. And that noise should disappear instantly. There we go. No more squealing noise. Thanks for watching.